Open your browser. First, go to the GoogieHost website, and then click on Register Now. Register a free account, then proceed with the free option. Now it will take some time to check various things like finding a server, nearest server found, resource availability test. But if you want to register a new domain, you can go with the first option. If you have a domain from another registrar, you can go with the second option, that is, transfer your domain from another registrar. If you want to use your existing domain and want to update your name servers, you can go with the third option, that is, I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Select the free subdomain option. From the available options, select the last option. Enter your preferred subdomain name and select the available extension provided by GoogieHost. Now click on the Continue option. After that, click on the Checkout button. Carefully fill in all the required registration details, such as full name, email address, password, other requested information. Click on the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions of the service. In this section, make sure you enter genuine and accurate information. This helps our team verify your details and register you as a legitimate customer. Please avoid using fake or misleading data. If the GoogieHost team finds anything suspicious or inconsistent, your request for a free subdomain may get rejected. And now click on the Complete Order option. Review all the entered details and complete the registration process by submitting the form. Check your email inbox and complete any verification steps sent by GoogieHost to activate your account. Now you have successfully registered on GoogieHost. And if you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. To see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel, comment for any query, and see you in the next one.